good? Your boy YNJ, MW for we're coming today. I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Yeah, we got some heat. Y'all can tell by the video thumbnail. Like, come on now. yeah. But yeah. Before we get this video though, I did open these prior to, because I bought these. I didn't buy them from Balenciaga or no official website or section like that, because these shoes came out a little minute ago, and I've been trying to find them for the longest. I haven't found the brand new size 12 or nowhere. Size 12 in general. It's always other sizes, but I finally came across one, and he had for a steal. And I had to check them out before everything too, make sure they're legit, because I bought them off Depop, you feel me? And it only ended up running me $373. Still, I already checked them out, everything, they authentic, you feel me? I compared them, did everything, and you feel me? I know a little knowledge between the check words. So yeah, before I do, let's get into this. So, like I said, I opened the box already, so I was gonna throw them back up in the box and tape it up and act like it, but we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna give it to you real raw and uncut, you feel me? So yeah. And without further ado, we got the gray LED track runners, you feel me? Oh my god, these are so stupidly hard, bro. That gray is just so sexy, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, I only mess with Balenciaga unless they do the LEDs. I ain't gonna lie, the regular tracks I don't care for, I don't like at all. Now these were worn a couple times, but I ended up cleaning them up a little bit, but it really it don't look like too much use, you feel me? So hey man, I got me a steal for sure. And they authentic, so yeah. And of course, what you're here for, the LED, you feel me? It's yeah, yes sir. Oh my god, there you go. I'm so happy I grabbed these. These was on my list for a minute. If y'all know, y'all know. You follow me on social media or anything like that, man, I finally got what I wished for, man. I've been searching for these for the longest, bro. Couldn't find them nowhere in the size 12 at all. Yeah, he's so hard. And like I said, that gray, sexy. So now I got me two pairs of LED track runners, the gray and black ones. And I'm finna get the navy blue, you feel me? Yeah. But these so hard though, man. Oh my god. These size 12, as I was saying, of course, I got the double laces, Balenciaga. Oh man. Man, these so hard though. What? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, ain't much really to say about these though, for real, cause you feel me, I already got the black ones, did video on them, but I had to show y'all that I got these, bro. I had to, I ain't gonna lie, it's only right, And my sneaker collection, 2023 sneaker collection coming up, it's gonna be crazy, man, crazy, I ain't gonna lie to you. Hard heat, just wait till that come, man. It's probably gonna come 1 to 2 videos after this one's probably gonna come 2 though, cause I got another video coming, I'm pretty sure that package gonna get here before that, but yeah, man. These so hard, bro. I'm so glad I don't handle these. Like, I really been having these on my list for months, bro. Couldn't find size 12 that was good anywhere, bro. I was not from the full stock yet, because GOAT didn't have them. And yeah, there's one site did have them, but they never sold out. Been sold for like the past 4 or 5 months, and I wasn't finna wait around. So yeah, found bro. Shout out to bro who showed me this. He was a real cool dude also too. Chopped it up with me, you feel me? A real authentic dude, you feel me? And yeah, I got these for a steal, like I said, only 300, and they legit, bro. I checked them, did my comparison, like I said. They got everything that matches up with it, you feel me? And from what I've seen, so yeah. And I also watched them rep videos of people who be doing the rep because of these. They not the same at all, you feel me? I have to make sure, keep my eye out. You're not finna get over on me, because I'm asking my refund right away. You ain't finna put me on my money, gang? Come on now. Real talk, man, but yeah. It's hard, man. We gonna get a little on feed of these, you feel me? Just give y'all something, you feel me? Yeah, man. You can see here they are on feed, you feel me? Balenciaga, the LEDs. Oh my god, that gray, hard. Don't mind my legs, bro. We know they hairy, bro. Okay, just cool it, bro. All right, cool it. We ain't finna do all that. But yeah, man, these so hard. Man, that 45 at the toe for the size tag, you feel me? But yeah, these so hard, bro. Man, that's gonna do it for this video. Something short, simple, light. Feel me? I've been gone. I've been inconsistent. I ain't gonna lie. I've been gone, and a whole lot of stuff that happened since. Yeah, man. I was supposed to do a Q&A video. I haven't gotten around to doing that at all or nothing, man. Just a whole lot been going on. But yeah, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You feel me? Comment down below what video I want to see next. Of course, man. We're on the road to 500 subscribers, man. I can't believe it, man. We came a long way. And my views are going up too. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for that, man. Without y'all, like I said, I wouldn't be here. We'd be doing this content for y'all. Feel me? For sure. At all. And next video, we're going to be back in the original setup. Do something temporary, you feel me? Because I do not like this light at all. I feel like it sucks, but hey, man. Camera on the way too, so I can actually take this serious like I should have been a long time ago. But yeah, man. It's going to be this video. Love y'all as always, and I'll see y'all next video. Yeah.